In this video, we're going to look at how we can mass change a few items on the media wall all in one go using the mass change feature of the media report. So let's jump straight in with accessing the media reports. You go to the reports menu and you select media report. So this allows you to select the media items you want to work with. You can either do a search based on title and artist, date range, copyright, or other advanced fields, or you can select items using the tree menu on the left hand side. So let's say we wanted to find some pop songs. Click on the pop, and here we have a list of all the pop songs listed inside Myriad 5. Let's say we wanted to change the first three to be something different. So we can hold down the shift button on the keyboard and select the first three, just like in any other Windows environment. Once we've selected the items we want to change, we have some buttons at the top here to allow us to export them as transport files, copy or move them. We can also mass delete them, which you have to be very careful with for obvious reasons. But today we're going to look at mass change. So I'm going to click on the mass change button. Inside the mass change media item window, we have a number of criteria we can change all in one go. And you just simply select the thing you want to change by clicking an option next to it. So let's say, for example, I wanted to change all of the items I'd selected to have a different ending type. I could click on the ending type option and then select the ending type I wish to have. So let's say I want them all to have a fade ending. I can do that. I can also combine them. So let's say I also wanted to change the colors and use some custom colors, and say I wanted a nice shade of purple for the font and white for the background color. When I'm ready, click on the Start Mass Change Media Items button, and it'll say, are you sure you want to apply to the three items we selected? If you say yes, then those items have been updated. So let's just have a look at one of those. So first one there was gem. So we'll do a quick search for gem. And then we can see it's white background and purple text there. So you can see we've changed them. And if we go into the edit there, we should be able to see in Smooth Edit the ending type as well. There we go. So it's down as a fade and the colors are as I selected. So that is mass changing. You can use that for all sorts of interesting things on the media wall.